So we have discussed some formulas in the class. So here we will try to solve some problems based on that graph also and based on that formula also. So here the first problem is sine inverse 2 by 3 plus sine inverse 1 by 5, right? So we have to just simplify here. Simplify this one. Simplify means there are two expressions. We need to convert this expression into one expression. So here first of all because there are two formulas for sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, there are two formulas. So first of all we have to identify which formula we are going to use here. So there was a condition here, so I'm just writing all this formula also here. So this is equals to sine inverse x into 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square if x square plus y square is less than 1. Second formula was, so here pi minus sine inverse x into y minus 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square. So the condition was here, if x square plus y square is greater than equals to 1. So first of all we will check this one by applying here. So if we put these values here, we have to identify whether x square plus y square is less than 1 or it is greater than equals to 1. So here 2 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square. So this is 4 by 9 plus 1 by 25. So clearly you can see here. Okay, let's solve this completely, right? So this is this will become 25 4 is 100 plus 144 divided by 24 into 12, that is 140. 25 into 9, that is 144. So this is 244 divided by 144. No, 25 into 9, that is 225, right? So 225. So clearly you can see this is greater than 1. That means we are going to use this second formula. Here x square plus y square is greater than or equals to 1. So if we use second formula, that is pi minus sine inverse, what is the value of x here? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 times what is the value of y here? 1 by 5. So here 1 minus 1 by 5 whole square root of this. So again here 1 by 5 times 1 minus 2 by 3 whole square. So this is equals to pi minus sine inverse 2 by 3 into, this will become 25 minus 1, 24 by 25 plus 1 by 5 root over, this will become 3 3 is 9 minus 4, that is 5 upon 9, right? So here pi minus sine inverse, this will become 2 by 3 into 20 root 24, right? So root 24 also you can write down 24, that is 12 into 2, right? So this is 6 into 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So you can write down root of this means 4 root 6. So this will become 4 root 6. No, sorry, not 4 root, 2 root 6 divided by 5. Plus this is 1 upon 5 into 5 root 5 by 9. Right? So we are getting this expression. So if you simplify this one, so this will become pi minus sine inverse 4 root 6, right? Let me check once again. Yes, correct. So this will become 4 root 6 divided by 5 3s are 15 plus this will become root 5 into 45. So further we cannot more simplify this one. So this is our final expression. Right. Also you can write on root 6 means you can rationalize this numerator. So you can also write on root multiply by divide by root 6 also, but this is enough. So as you have seen here, we have to decide which formula we have to use according to the given conditions here. then we will use the formula. Right, so let's solve one more question. So here cos inverse 1 by 4 plus cos inverse minus 3 by 4. As we have already discussed, first of all we have to make these argument positive, right? So here this is negative, coefficient is argument is negative, that's why we have to convert into a positive number. So cos inverse 1 by 4 plus this cos of minus x is equals to cos of pi minus cos inverse 3 by 4, right? So overall we are getting here cos inverse 1 by 4 minus cos inverse 3 by 4 plus pi. So as we have discussed, there is only one this is cos, so there are two formulas here, right? Two formulas, that is cos inverse xy plus 1 minus x square 1 minus y square if x is less than y. So second one is minus of cos inverse xy plus 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square if x is greater than or equals to y, right? So clearly we have to check whether which one is greater here. So 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, which one is greater? So clearly this 3 by 4, you can also just see this numerator is greater with same base, right? So greater numerator means that will be greater number. So here clearly you can see x is, this thing is less than, that means 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. So this formula we have to use here. So now just use the formula. So cos inverse 1 by 4 into 3 by 4 minus 1 minus whole square of 1 by 4, that is 16, 16 minus 1 15, 15 by 16 into, that is 1 minus y square, that means this is y. So 1 minus whole square of 3 by 4, so 9 by 16. So this will become 16 minus 9, so that is 7 by 16, root 7 by 16, right? So next one, so here this is cos inverse 3 by 4 minus, and here this is 15 into 7 by 16, right? Plus pi, I think it was plus pi, yes, plus pi also will be there, right? So final we are getting cos inverse 3 4s are 12, we can write down here 12 by taking LCM. This is 16 minus 15 into 7 plus pi here. So this is your final answer. Further you can multiply these two numbers and simplify, right?